Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do voiceover on a TikTok application. So first thing you have to do is just go open our TikTok applications right here, and sometimes you will be like stay in the home section, but now we need to access the TikTok camera by go click this plus button. And here is the TikTok camera, guys. You just need to start recording the video, or you can also do with the photo, but here I would like to show you with the video. Let's record it first. And after you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button. Don't go anywhere, so you just need to stay here. To do a voiceover, you just need to explore more options right here, and there will be like a voice filters. You just need to go click it. And now we need to start record by go click this part and click the button. 1, 2, 3, done. And whenever you're done, go click done, and here is the result. 1, 2, 3, done. So you just need to go click save, go click next, and you're ready to post the content. So that's the way how to do a voiceover on a TikTok. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.